back to configuration Mosquitto broker for Raspberry Pi again. So last two video before I make the Mosquitto broker on IoT Siemens IoT 2050 and the computers, and now I will make the MQTT brokers on Raspberry Pi. According to my network, I connect Raspberry Pi to my routers, the same network of PLC and computers in IoT, Siemens IoT 2050. And the purpose of this video is to configure Mosquitto on Raspberry Pi 5, and with the setting of the Mosquitto broker can access MQTT, MQTT with SSL and TOS, or in WebSocket, SSL, and then WebSocket. So we configure all the communications type. So and create a certificate for SSL. So on everything in one video for Raspberry Pi. Actually, in this video, I also show you the create for the username and password for authentication of Mosquitto broker as well. You can see plenty of Mosquitto configuration on internet, but they normally set up only one of the port over here. So this video is combination of all the setting of from the beginning installation until created certificates, authentication, and WebSocket testing, everything in this video. You can see the devices here in my place. We have a one S7-1200 and Siemens IoT 2050 and another power supply. And this is Raspberry Pi, the ones I want to set up Mosquitto brokers inside Raspberry Pi. So because now IoT is very developed, so the communication between PLC and sent to Mosquitto broker or sent to internet MQTT broker is also very facility for us to do the monitoring the process by over internet by Internet of Things. Sorry. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's start. You can see the purpose of this project is you can use the MQTT client to access the Mosquitto broker remotely over some different port: MQTT, MQTT WebSocket, and WebSocket SSL. Sorry. You can see the port differently: 1883, 8883, and 8080 WebSocket, and WebSocket L8083. This is designed by myself. And authentication, like username and password for client access the server. So configuration Mosquitto authentication SSL and WebSocket, that will have WebSocket SSL. In this video, the contents of the video introduction. Now we start installation Mosquitto from the beginning for Raspberry Pi. The first time I don't need to run MQTT sudo apt update because I just install new operation system for my Raspberry Pi. So what I'm doing, I need to log in my PuTTY, the ping communication CMD. I'm going to test the pings IP address of Raspberry Pi. This is IP address of Raspberry Pi. So we confirm Raspberry Pi already connect successful in the local area network. So what I'm doing now, I open PuTTY and I type this. Yeah, 66. Actually, one test how to know the IP address of. You can access the. Let me see. As your modem, access your modem and see the IP address. If you want to know exactly IP address your devices, you can check from Raspberry PI connection over here. You have IP66 and your PC 65 computer. So you can see that is two devices connected, because I haven't power on the supply for SIEMENS IoT and Ethernet and the PLCs, not just power on, so we don't see the IP address. And open this and log in account Xuan Ky. Sorry, IP address. Okay, IP address and login successful. I need to rewrite the password, username and password properly. Wait a minute. So I already logged in my Raspberry Pi already. Let's start installations. So I need to boost down a little bit and make it smaller. And next place I will put my Raspberry Pi over here. Okay. Okay, now we start. Install Mosquitto. Yeah. Okay, now we start installation Mosquitto. Click yes. Oh, there's something wrong. So let me check um, what happened with this. I think something wrong is okay. Sudo up apt. Okay, I just connect a Raspberry Pi to another Wi-Fi router, and the IP address of Raspberry Pi changed. So 8 to 80. So we need to put T in there. This is IP address of Raspberry Pi. So login account password. Then from here we can start installations. Okay, now start installations. So start installation Mosquitto. Yes, the installation look good. So next time. Okay, now Mosquitto already installed completely. So we can verify this Mosquitto is running or not. So we can see use this command like this. This is the Mosquitto enabled, and The status of Mosquitto is running. You can check by the commands. So you can see Mosquitto's Raspberry PI is running. So from here we can view another client in configuration. Check the Mosquitto. This one Raspberry PI. Now Raspberry PI with communication MQTT port 1883 and IP address 70 IP address and username nothings, and we haven't got create this. This is normal configurations, and click next. Check what happened with this. So it's not reacts anything, right? Check what happened with this. Check IP address. IP address of this 830. Or we can use the local IP address. Let me try this. MQTT 883 and then connect this. So something wrong, we can check Mosquitto running or not. I open Mosquitto, okay. Ah, okay, we already finished installation of Mosquitto. So now we log in Mosquittos. Yeah. Putty. Okay, log in account. Okay, so now we need to test the Mosquitto conditions after installations. So I open two terminal, one uh, one for subprime, another one for public, and to confirm Mosquitto working in local Raspberry PI. Okay, the same password. Okay, now what I'm doing is test the Mosquitto where is work or not. So what I'm doing is now I use this term to subwrite topics. Okay, now Mosquitto is working. See, it subwrite successfully. So I will open another terminal. Yeah, this terminal for publics. So what I'm doing is copy topics. You can see easily it's saying another client sent to broker in the client, this client received a message. So I'm testing again. One, two, three, four, five. So you can see is received. So receive message from sending and sending subprime. You see hello 1 2 3 4. This message coming here. So it means that Mosquitto is working in local Raspberry PIs. So if you want to set up Mosquitto running in the local area network, you need to configure the username and passwords. So I am starting configurations of username and passwords. Let's see. So I use one terminals to create username and password.